Hello, this is Janice Seagraves. I said if I got some more seeds I'd make another potting video, and I did. I got some lettuce seeds because I do eat a lot of salads, and it actually helps that I'm growing them myself, and plus it's really hard to eat up a whole big bag of groceries. I mean, not groceries, but a whole big bag of lettuce that's all cut up and that you buy in the market, and sometimes it's not exactly as fresh as when you make it yourself. So I'm just going to sprinkle this in. This is just a regular pot that I had laying around, and I'm just going to sprinkle this in. And it's okay, it's going to be a lot because I'm going to be eating it a little as I go along. Now I'm going to sprinkle this dirt that I put on the side around, and I'm not going to bury it very deep because these are very small seeds, and they don't need to be buried very deep. And there you go. This is going to be my salad greens. That'll hopefully last me for a little bit until at such time as my other greens come in. I'm going to go put this over on my shelf, and I will have fresh greens in probably 10 days to 20 days. They'll start to come up, and I'll just thin them a little as I go. My little zucchini that I found when I started trying to repot it before, you see there's a little seed still on top of it. So I'm just going to very carefully take that off, and then I'm going to plant it. Well, let me see, this one's a little closer. So I'm going to just plant it right here very gently. Squash. And I'm going to, and these are yellow. These are the yellow kind. And I'm going to very carefully separate these out, and I'm going to put some in here, fall apart, and then I'm going to put some in this other pot. I have this at the wrong angle, you can't really see it very well, but just have to just very carefully tease this out, make sure it's moist, and then you put them in here. And if they get too big, I can always either take one out or just clip it out. It's just a very simple procedure. With these, I might get some poles and try to train them up because we have more room up in a little garden than we do sideways. Whoops. That one kind of shifted over. But anyway, there, that one. And then that one's done too. And now I just have to sit back and wait. That's I think, the hardest part for a lot of people when they garden is just waiting for it to fruit. And I'm kind of this person that just, I just plant it and I just sort of forget about it for a while. I'll water it, check on it daily to make sure that no bugs are coming in there and no cats are digging things up, and then it'll be fine. I'm patient. That's all you have to have when you're a gardener, is you got to have patience. So just set it, forget it, keep it watered, it'll be fine. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this was you got a lot out of this, and I will see you next time. Please like, comment, and share. And I'll see you later. Bye.